All right, so run through again on our copy command. I'll start by just drawing. This time I'll draw a rectangle here. And I'll put some lines through it, kind of like our assignment today. So here's the object that I want to copy. And let's say I want the middle of this to go right on. I'm going to draw a diagonal line here. So I want the exact middle of my box to be copied along this line here. So what I need to do is select, I'll start by running my copy command. It's telling me to select my objects, so I can either click on my objects individually, or use my commands to scroll over them. Once I'm done selecting my objects, I'm going to hit enter. And then now, since I want to align my object, the center of my object along the line, I'm going to click the center of my object, and then now I can snap it right along this line. So I've got my O-snap, my object snap set. So all I have to do is get near my line, and it's automatically going to snap perfectly to the center. So you can see I've got all my things nice and perfectly aligned along here. And I can check by zooming in real close. I can see that the line that I drew was in a perfect 45-degree angle. So it's off a little bit, but I can see that it intersects perfectly at every point that I did. So I've noticed some of you are still sort of eyeballing it. You can't eyeball in this class. AutoCAD is accurate to 16 decimal points, and there's no way using your mouse you're going to be able to draw things accurately. So you got to use your object snapping when you can. Remember our settings here, right-clicking on our object snap. And for right now, just make sure you have check marks next to all of these. And that should get you in good shape. Any questions at all about the copy command or using our what we call grip points? Those are those little blue squares that show up where you can kind of grab things. Okay, one more thing I want to show you is you actually can copy something by not even selecting it. So let's say I go copy. Oops, if I can type here, C-O-P-Y. So I'm going to select this object here. I'll select my line. And say I want this object to be copied, but I want it to be the distance from, say, this point to this point. Actually, I'll say this point to this point. It'll show up a little bit better. So what I can do is I can select this point, and then now you'll notice when I move my cursor around, my original copy object is moving around with it, but it's snapped to this point. So I can go from this point down to, say, this point. And then now my object has been copied the exact same displacement. That's annoying. The exact same distance. This box has been copied from here to here, which is the exact same distance from here to here. So again, using that copy command, really great way to move things around accurately. Any questions at all on that? All right, copy, move, zoom, working with grips. That's everything we covered today. Good luck.